Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix files app missing or not showing on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you are missing files app or the files app is not showing on your Android, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to scroll up and here you will get this app search. Here's the option of search local apps, just select it and here you just have to search for files. Just search for file and here you can see I have two files app. Here's the Google Files and here's the file manager. But if you won't get the files app here, so you just have to make a final step, which is open your Play Store app and install a third party application. So let's search for it. And here you just have to search for files or file manager. Just search for it. And here you'll get a list of file manager app. You just have to select one of the all app, as I'm going to choose this one. Just tap on it and then tap on install, and after that this file manager app will be installed on your phone and you can easily use the files app on Android. So let's see. So that's how you can fix files that are missing or not showing Android app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.